Hi friends, welcome back to another slime video. In this video, we are teaching you how to create do-it-yourself Halloween slime. Using Elmer's pre-made clear glassy goo, we are going to make a swampy Halloween slime. We made this shimmery purple one earlier today, and we're going to make a neon green swamp with this clear one. We're going to add a few drops of yellow food colouring into the clear slime and a couple of green drops into the slime. Mixy. That looks pretty cool. Make sure to mix the slime in with the food colouring really well. I love how the colour has turned out for this one. A little close-up of the purple slime that we made earlier today. Don't forget guys, if you want to win your own bucket of the clear goo glassy deluxe, then subscribe and you will go into the draw. Twisting the two colours to make a cool effect with them. The green looks sort of like a swamp on the purple shimmery. It looks so cool. I found these spooky squishies at my Kmart, and so I'm going to add them in to make the slime even better. How cute are these little squishies? These would be fun to play with by themselves. Now to add the squishies into the swamp mixture. Just squish them in there nicely. So fun to play with. Now for the googly eyes. You can find all these products at your local craft store. Add in your finishing touches, even some glitter. Really, you can add in whatever you want. Check out the final result of our purple and green Halloween swampy slime. So fun, so easy, and it looks great. Now let's play with it. I love how the colours haven't mixed all the way through, and you can still see the green coming on top of the purple. Give it a go yourself and let me know how your slime turns out. Thanks for watching. Bye.